Hello. It's Salon Diva V and the place to be, y'all. My front garden, and as you guys can see, these ants have taken over my flower bed. Look at it. All the top part of that is filled with ants. Flowers can't grow. Look at my morning glory. So this used to be full of morning glory during the summertime, but they have died out. Probably because, see, this is a whole ant pile, right? Right. Y'all see them coming out? All right, I'm about to show y'all something that's going to get rid of this ant pile for good. Ah, y'all see them, right? Let me make sure I ain't got nothing on my hand. Y'all got them? All right. Ah, one biting me. Okay. That right there. That right there is going to get them. Now, I'm not too sure about it killing the plant, but I know it's going to get these ants. So I put a good bit in there. Just hold it. And I'm going to make sure I get all up in there. These ants been bothering me, terrorizing my yard for the longest. And I'm going to make sure I douse this plant real good. Fill it up with a lot of water. Now, of course, if this is your food that you're eating, I wouldn't do this. But this is just a regular plant for decoration. All right, we're going to let that settle down. All right, so we don't see no movement. It's been a couple of minutes. I'm going to spray it again. I don't see no ants coming from the bottom. Let's see. Do they have any at the bottom? They don't look like they had none at the bottom. But they definitely were in here. Let's see. Let me move it around. The water not going out too easy. And I did this on one of my other plants just the other day. Just trying to see what was gonna happen. And it worked. I was successful in unaliving the ants. So I thought I would show you guys my process. And I don't see no movement, y'all. No movement. No movement. None. So there y'all have it. An easy way for you to get rid of the ant piles. Right here on my channel, Salon Diva V, I brought it to you. Good old Dawn dishwashing liquid. I wonder what they got in that stuff that you could take stains out of clothes. They use it on grease. They use it on animals when they caught in an oil slick. What is in there? Just don't put it on your plants that you're going to feed your family with. That's all I would say. So, that's it. No more ants. No movement. No movement. And don't let, because I filled it up with water, don't let that fool you, because the ants survive in water. That's that good old Dawn dishwashing liquid. All right. Salon Diva V in the place to be. I will see you guys in the next video. You know what it is. Peace.